What's good, gravy?
What's good, Big Bex? It's your boy, and I'm back. And today we got KFC. KFC Honey Bbq Tender. Dipping that thing in some ranch. We got their Honey Bbq Drumstick. Hey, yo, hold up. These fries taste like rocks, bro. Hey, yo, them things are stale, bro. Still taking it for a dip in that glorious ranch. Let's dip the leg in some gravy. Yo, that's hidden.
What's good, gravy?
That's fire. Crispy barbecue chicken sandwich. Oh. Okay, KFC, I see you on this one. Oh, wow. Mayonnaise, pickles with the honey barbecue sauce on there. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below.